Definitely, it's okay. Yeah, I'll just open up this. So far, it's been pretty good. Bear with me. Is that alright? Open up this fucker. Yep. Oh yes. Oh yes. This is looking good. Oh yes. That's it there. Boom. Plus another 3 or 4 packs. It's okay. It's quite good. They want you to play the game. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Oh, it's all a PNG. This will be a white waste, not even worth a couple of hellos. Yeah, I knew that was going to be shit. That's okay. But still got all these bad boys open as well. That's what we're doing now. Hasn't been bad. Oh, dude, that is nice. Boy, yep. Holy... Dude, nice! Bang! Boom, there's a knock. Wow. Jeez. Quality over quantity, eh? Damn, that's nice. Dude, check out that face. Nice. Sorry about the thing is about the cyst. I didn't even care what else we get anymore. I mean, that's just paid for the entire... Insane. That's just paid for the time. I think this is just filling in time. Big thank you for my 10,000 viewers as well. It's been incredible. Absolutely sensational stuff. Okay. Yeah, that was sufficient now. That's nice. We got what we came for. This is just $5 or $10. Just sorry that missed what I put off camera.
Did you want your heater on?
No, Mary.
What have you bought there?
Oh, just work. Just go. Just work. Go.
Where did you buy them?
Oh, just go. I'm not spending money. I'll spend $2. Idiot. Yeah, this should donate this. We got what we're going for. Another one. Oh yeah, we got what we came for. This is just gonna be garbage. No. That's another thinger. There is one thing I do want to get figured off camera. This is just, I should donate these to Home to a Good Home, but I'll just open them anyway. If I would have got the heavy, I would have. Oh yeah, is that a highlight? Yeah. No. That's good. Officially done. So I've got 2 packs left.